This Halloween shoot went like... My niece Sydney loves Halloween, so when she came by the studio, we decided to do something fun for it. Let's check it out. While she was carving the pumpkins, I built the set using a balloon instead of the pumpkin. This setup was actually pretty simple. A main light behind the pumpkin with a Fresnel lens on top. On the other side, a strip box and a diffusion sheet to fill in the face. When we swapped the balloon for the real pumpkin, we realized it was a bit too dark on the left side, so I added another diffusion sheet for the extra fill. I shot everything on my 5DS with a 135mm tilt and shift lens. To keep the pumpkin from flying off when we flipped it, I used two acrylic plates, one inside and one outside, plus a few screws and plaster plugs. Pumpkin engineering. Few detail shots, one for the pumpkin interior using a TTL flash, and another with the lid back on. Next up, paint. A lot of paint. Flipped it. Honestly, this got really heavy.
Oh wow, that shit's pretty cool.